isa na rin po akong napanood sa telepanto series Encantadia bilang si Sandra Lira at ang babae nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos ang nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the underrepresented sectors of our society, the women. Abante, babae. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you very much. Our last and final